Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I apologize for not posting any videos in the last couple of weeks, but because of what's happening now in the world, in Ukraine and the war with Russia, it didn't feel like a good time to be making videos for YouTube regarding financial independence. I'm a Romanian living in Romania and we share a border with Ukraine. Even though the war has started 9 days ago, it's been more than that since Putin decided to do training exercises near our border and the Ukrainian border. Therefore, these last couple of weeks have not been easy. So this conflict has been brewing for more than when the war started and the rest of the world found out about it. But today is a great day for us Tesla investors, and me not posting a video on this news felt like I would be letting down my subscribers. Therefore, I decided to make a quick video. So, according to the Tagesspiegel, and I will translate it live using Google Translate, Tesla receives final approval for car factory in Grünheide. Let's go together through this article really fast, and if you are a Tesla investor, you should pat yourself on the back. If not, Tesla is still down over its all-time highs, so I urge you to think about how you would like to go forward. So, let's read together through the article. The US electric car manufacturer Tesla received the final approval for the Gigafactory in Grünheide, Brandenburg. The decision was handed over to representatives of Tesla in the morning at the State Environment Agency in Frankfurt. 2 years after the start of construction, the environmental approval process for what is currently the largest investment project, investment around 5 billion euros and around 14,000 jobs in Brandenburg, has officially been completed. The start of production, for which Tesla is aiming for at the end of March, is now within reach. The emission control decision contains extensive requirements, for example, for the handling of water, chemicals and noise. There is more to this article than what I've read, but all I wanted to let you know is it finally happened. Berlin is close to being online. In a couple of weeks there will be an opening ceremony, and actually a couple of Tesla customers will be receiving their cars made in Germany. Congrats to Tesla, congrats to Elon Musk, and congrats to everyone that is an investor, because this is a massive thing for Tesla in Europe and Tesla in the world. In the end, I want to offer my support to all the Ukrainian citizens that are crossing the Romanian border. Godspeed, good health, and the Romanian people is here for you. Take care, kind regards, and see you in the next one.